Today is Panchami of Krishna Paksh of Vaishakh Mas, Vikram Samvat 2081, accordingly 29th April 2024. First of all, it is to be noted that there is no word in Hindi or Sanskrit language that is equivalent to the word unemployment. If somebody coins a new word for it, that is a different issue. The people think that berozgari is the synonym. Then they must know that berozgari and all related words are from Persian. At least I could not find any resembling Hindi Sanskrit word in dictionaries, as in ancient Bharat or India, conditions were different. In ancient Bharat, every home used to run a small scale industry. Somebody was a weaver, somebody was a carpenter, or blacksmith, or potter, or farmer, etc. That means that there were ample means to earn living. With passage of time, these industries got ruined. There seem to be two main reasons for this. One, to make their country's businesses prosper, British destroyed these industries in a planned manner. Even the hands of workers from Dhaka and Chanderi were cut off. Two, unnecessary mechanization led us to become idle and we became permanently dependent on others. Population explosion is also a main reason, but that is a different subject. After independence itself, along with dowry, crime, etc., employment also started getting discussed on various platforms as a social issue. Entertainment world also began to showcase it prominently. Political parties used it as a powerful mean for blame game and exploited it to the fullest extent. An ancient an incident related to the unemployment that gave goosebumps happened in 1967 when erstwhile powerful Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi participated as the chief guest in annual convocation of Roorkee University, which is now known as IIT Roorkee. As soon as she stood up to deliver her address, about 1,000 trained engineers stood up and shouted three times the slogan, "Don't give speeches, give us jobs," and peacefully walked out. Mrs. Gandhi was annoyed, but soon she regained her composure and ruefully made a remark that this was the most disciplined walkout I have witnessed. This incident is reported in following links. After this incident, the protests were organized at various places throughout the country. In March 1968, more than 200 students reached Delhi from Roorkee to participate in nationwide protest. 53 of them were arrested and were put behind bars. Two teachers and one assistant made the rescue efforts, contacted the Delhi administration, and then met the students in Tihar jail. After much restraint and protest, these students were released after signing an apology letter. After reaching Roorkee, Victory March was organized with slogan Roorkee University Zindabad, Chopra Sahab Zindabad. Chopra Sahab was the vice chancellor at that time. It means that the problem of unemployment was there in 1960s also, in 1980s, 1990s, also even till today. In current time, when opposition political parties blame the current government for failure on this issue, I am forced to think that if the past governments were so successful, then everybody would have more than one and many job options in, and then even after yearly diminishing opportunities, today everybody would have at least one job in hand. All governments work in this direction. What is necessary is the change in the mindset. General masses have to understand that employment does not at all mean the salaried job. Young people, after getting education, expect salaried jobs, that too government jobs which are not unlimited in number. Government's job is to create employment opportunities. All governments do that or came to do so. In last 2-3 decades, due to information revolution, employment opportunities have increased manifold. Then too, only those would get employment who deserve and who deserves and is courageous can become self-employed. This must always be remembered that the degree is not a guarantee of an employment. Degree may provide you eligibility, but employment you will get only due to your deservings, talent, and expertise. Degree or educational qualification can be obtained by cheating or studying from shortcut guides. Education sector is also not untouched by the problem of unemployment. If our view of education does not change, then will have to accept that unemployment is an everlasting problem. That is all in this video. Thank you very much.